talking about what makes up a good salesperson and who or how to find really good salespeople. One thing that I've noticed over the years is some of the best salespeople are what they call emotionally intelligent people. Now, what's emotional intelligence? Well, emotional intelligence is the ability to be able to perceive emotions, to be able to use your emotions, to be able to understand others' emotions, and then lastly, be able to manage your own emotions. Emotionally intelligent people, they're able to read the room. Let me give you an example. Let's say for a moment that you've got a friend named Joe, and unfortunately Joe passed away, and so you've been invited to Joe's wake, of course, to help celebrate his life and to help go ahead and grieve and be a comfort maybe to some of his family. So you go into the wake and you've got this funny joke that you know Joe would like, and you charge into the wake and you're thinking you're going to tell this if it's early enough and if the people are in the right mood. But you walk into the wake and you charge in, you're a little bit late, and you walk in and you notice everybody's grieving, they're upset. You just decide, you know what, this would not be the right time to tell that joke that I know Joe would love. However, the interesting thing about this is that same joke that you've held off, that you would have, if you would have told that joke at that moment in the wake when everybody's grieving, you would have been vilified. That same joke, if you tell it 3 hours later in the back room at the reception when everybody's toasting a toast to Joe with a shot of Jack Daniels because that was his favorite drink, and then you tell this joke, everybody laughs and they say, you know what, Joe would have loved that joke, that was so appropriate. They're celebrated for being so on point and for hitting the mark so well and finding a joke that Joe would have loved. So that's a great example of emotional intelligence.